All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about Christmas presents. Why? Because it's almost Christmas. It's the 17th of December. You still got time. It's no big deal. And I wanted to sneak in a last-minute gift idea for anyone who works in the garage or around the house or whatever. It's an all-around great gift. And you might have seen what it is by the thumbnail. So let's go talk about it. All right, so let's talk about this thing. I bought the Craftsman drill and driver set in December of 2020. So I've had this thing for 4 years, and I beat the crap out of these drills in the last 4 years. So let's open up the bag, and I'll show you what you get in the box. Of course, you get the bag with it, and you get a regular drill and a battery, and you get the drill driver and another battery, and you get your charger for $99. Now, Lowe's has that sale every year from just after Thanksgiving on Black Friday all the way up until the day after Christmas. For $99, I'll tell you what, they're really good. This drill in particular, I'll tell you a little story about it. I worked at a camper manufacturer here in the city I live in, and they kept giving me Milwaukee drill drivers. So, and I kept breaking them. I had one, which I'll probably put a clip in either at the end of the video, or you know what? Let's do it right now. Well, pretty dangerous drills, if you ask me. I kept breaking the chucks off them, wearing the chucks out, and burning them up. That particular drill that's in that little video clip right there, I had that thing 60 days, and I destroyed it in 60 days. This thing I used for about 5 months, because it took them 5 months to get me a new drill because I kept breaking them. Finally, I just told them, I said, can't you just let me use my own? And they said, no, that wasn't going to be good enough. So they went and they got me a Makita, and it was probably the best drill that they ever gave me. Because I put that thing through the ringer. This thing right here, I've used the crap out of this thing for 4 years, as well as this one. And I'll give you guys a better look at them here in a little bit after I get done talking about them. But to be honest, they are a perfect gift item for anyone working on cars or doing construction or work around the house or whatever you're doing. It's a perfect gift to give to somebody. So it's $99 well spent. I mean, I really don't know what else to say about them, to be honest with you. I guess if I had to do it all over again, I would do it again. My wife just took me in Lowe's and took me in the tool department. Said, take your pick. What do you want? And so I picked those drills, and it's been awesome ever since. Before that, I had a Ryobi that was kind of a piece of junk, but I never heard any complaints out of anyone I know that had the drill and driver set from Craftsman. So anyway, that being said, you know, you still got time. It's the 17th of December right now. You still got time to take advantage of that $99 sale. Like I said, Lowe's has that sale every year on the same drills. From Black Friday after Thanksgiving all the way up until the day after Christmas. So it's a good deal. You should check it out, and hopefully you do. All right, there you go. Just a little gift idea for you at the last minute. You know, it's a great gift, a great tool for any man or woman who does anything in the garage or around the house or whatever. And it's a good gift for the professional in your life as well. If they use tools at work, it might be a good tool for you. All right. So that's it for this one. We'll see you guys next year.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to not miss any content like this, because if you don't subscribe right now, do it. You'll miss a lot of our content.